To you.
Friend, in today's Social on 10, I'm giving you a chance to ask Dr. King any of your pet care questions by joining my Facebook page and posting your questions there. Let's go to the first one. Jessica Reavers, Dr. King says, my lab keeps getting infections in her ear, only one ear. I can't afford to keep up antibiotics. Is there something I can do at home to get rid of it?
Well, first of all, if it keeps getting ear infections, there's something causing it. And typically, ears and rears is a food allergy. Switch your dog to a salmon-based food, give it 3 months or so, and see if that ear infection doesn't go away.
Did you just say ears and rears?
Ears and rears.
You did.
Yeah.
From Tina Sheely, this one. Is the product Angel Eyes safe for dogs? This is used to eliminate tear stains.
Well, Angel Eyes is actually a very low dose of antibiotic, and I'm not a big fan of low doses of antibiotics by any means. So, yes, it's safe, but do you need to be doing it? It's cosmetic.
Okay. Let's go to the next question from my Facebook page. This is Anita Bradley. Says she's had her rescue dog for about 1.5 years, and he's certainly come a long way. He's only staying up about 2 hours a day and then will beg, jump on you, etc. to get back in his crate. He's eating, drinking well, and is in good health. He is part Maltese, part Shih Tzu. Please help, as I don't know what to do.
Well, it sounds to me like this dog was maybe a feral dog or a wild dog, and it's not used to humans. The ones that we have that come through the clinic, a lot of times if you get them a really friendly, outgoing dog friend to go with it, they learn that people aren't so bad and life is good outside of a box.
Wonderful advice. Then I gave you the chance to go to Twitter. I'm at Dawndy, WIS TV, and give the doctor some questions there. So just came in, what about the Lindt 70% cocoa bars that are sold on the candy aisle, not Baker's chocolate? Because the segment you did earlier was about chocolate and which one's forms are worse for dogs. What about this one?
That's going to be the dark chocolate.
This is Mary Lynn, by the way.
That's going to be the dark chocolate.
The Lindt that she's talking about. And your recommendation for that is it's not as deathly as some of the others, but it's worse
still
than
chocolate.
Yeah,
it's still chocolate, and it's still going to have toxic side effects. I definitely am not advocating giving any kind of chocolate.
Okay, just some are worse than others.
Yes.
Okay, and then Casey Estridge sent a tweet that says, ask Dr. King if and when she would fix or repair a cherry eye for an English bulldog. What are the positives and negatives?
So a cherry eye is actually the third eyelid has a little tear gland in it, and it pops up and it looks like a little cherry in the corner of the eye. Now, you can remove it, and removing it is definitely not good because then they won't have tears for the rest of their life. So then you have to repair it, is tucking it down in. It's a high failure rate. 80% of the surgeries actually fail. Really? So I don't even fix them. I actually just say, you know what, gives your dog character, enjoy it.
Okay, good information there. And to see the interview from earlier on the chocolates and which ones are worse for dogs, that'll be on my Facebook page about a half hour after the show. Dr. King, as always, thank you so much for being with us. All right, John, let's get a check of the forecast.